how to download and install WordTrip on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the WordTrip app on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now tap on the search bar at the top of the Play Store and type WordTrip. And you should see the official WordTrip app by Play Simple Games appearing in the results. So simply tap on it and now tap on the install button. And after tapping on that, the download will begin and the installation will start automatically. So make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth process. And once the installation is complete, you can simply tap on play to launch the game. You can also find the WordTrip icon on your home screen or app drawer. So open the app and go through the initial setup and start playing fun word puzzles. And that's it. Now you have successfully downloaded and installed WordTrip on your Android device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.